Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm your guy Paul Naruto. If it's the first time here, please consider subscribing and click the bell icon to enable notifications. So guys, in this video today, I'll be showing you on how to view files and folders using command prompt. So the first thing you have to know about the location of the file. So the thing you have to know is about file name. Have to know about the file name. Then the other thing, apart from the file name, have to know the file type, the file. So type the file type. So if you aren't sure this, then the best thing you have to do, you use drr command to view the files. So guys, straight away just have to launch command prompt as administrator. So press the window button, type cmd, then you have to click on that, type on as administrator. So you type color A, then so get back to CD to see C drive. So at this point you just type dir to view the files, and then you have type CD, have users, this is the location. So when I type dir, I want to view the account called BTVC, so you type CD BTVC, then you press enter. So what you do at this point, guys, the next thing you have to do, type dir to view the files inside there. So after that, guys, you have to view the desktop, so type cd desktop to view the files inside the desktop. So type dir, so dir, that's the files inside the desktop. So that's the easiest way to navigate that. So I want to view this folder here. Sorry, I want to view this document called Mirari at this point. So the one first view that, and then we'll view the next thing, because there's a challenge here that I have to show you. So Mirari, type Mirari dot type the exact file name. So press enter. So this is the easiest way that the document is opening. So then what about that? So that's the easiest way. So the other file that I want to view is this one. Then the new Microsoft Office document .docs. So at this point, these are a longer file name which contains spaces. So at this point, guys, we're going to do the easiest way. So let's type it the way it appears. So you type new document. So type new. So you type. Type new Microsoft Word. New Microsoft Word document the docs. So there's an error. So what you have to do at this point, just have to contain that in it's just like a comment. So if it contains space, just use the marks, the quotation marks. So use the quotation marks that way, so that this command prompt will view it as one word. So when you press enter, so new Microsoft Word document the docs. So where get the mistake? So new Microsoft Word, just look at it step by step. Microsoft Word document the docs. So guys, there's a space here, eliminate that space, then press enter. So this is now the window that you want. So this is the Microsoft Office Word that has already opened. So guys, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon down below to enable notifications.